Hey there, Financial Frontier here to chart your path to financial freedom. Today we are going to talk about what is cryptocurrency, how it works, how to benefit from it during this recession, the pros and cons. So Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized digital currency, has taken the financial world by storm since its inception in 2009. With its value skyrocketing over the past decade, it's hard to ignore its potential as a game-changing technology. In this article, we'll explore what Bitcoin is, the benefits and risks of using it, why its value fluctuates, and why governments have mixed feelings about it. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a middleman or financial institution. This means that it operates independently of government regulations and the traditional financial system. The underlying technology behind Bitcoin is the blockchain, a distributed ledger that records every transaction made in a transparent and immutable manner. This makes Bitcoin highly resistant to fraud and tampering, making it a secure and trustworthy form of currency. Benefits of Bitcoin. One of the biggest benefits of Bitcoin is that it operates independently of government regulations and the traditional financial system. This means that transactions can be conducted without the need for intermediaries like banks or other financial institutions. This makes Bitcoin faster and cheaper than traditional forms of currency, and it can be used to send money to anyone in the world, regardless of where they are located. Additionally, Bitcoin is highly secure due to the blockchain technology that underpins it, which makes it resistant to fraud and tampering. Another benefit of Bitcoin is that it has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. This means that it cannot be manipulated by central banks or governments like traditional forms of currency can. This makes Bitcoin a finite asset that can act as a hedge against inflation and the traditional financial system, which is built on a foundation of debt and inflation. Risks of Bitcoin. While Bitcoin offers many benefits, it also comes with its fair share of risks. One of the biggest risks of Bitcoin is its high volatility. Bitcoin's value can fluctuate rapidly, often by large amounts, in a short period of time. This means that investors can see large gains or losses in a short amount of time, making Bitcoin a highly speculative asset. Another risk of Bitcoin is its potential for fraud and hacking. While the blockchain technology that underpins Bitcoin is highly secure, the same cannot always be said for the platforms and exchanges that allow users to buy and sell Bitcoin. Hackers have targeted these platforms in the past, stealing millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin in the process. Value fluctuations. Bitcoin's value is subject to fluctuation due to a number of different factors. One of the biggest factors affecting Bitcoin's value is supply and demand. When more people want to buy Bitcoin than sell it, its value increases. Conversely, when more people want to sell Bitcoin than buy it, its value decreases. Another factor affecting Bitcoin's value is market sentiment. If investors are bullish on Bitcoin, they are more likely to buy it, which can drive up its value. On the other hand, if investors are bearish on Bitcoin, they are more likely to sell it, which can drive down its value. Additionally, Bitcoin's value can be pumped up if many people buy all at once. This is known as a pump and dump scheme and is often used by fraudsters to artificially inflate the price of Bitcoin. Once the price has been inflated, the fraudsters sell their Bitcoin at a profit, leaving unsuspecting investors with worthless coins. So, day trading with Bitcoin is similar to trading other financial assets, with the main difference being that Bitcoin's high volatility can provide both higher potential gains and higher potential losses. Day traders aim to profit from short-term fluctuations in Bitcoin's price by buying low and selling high. This requires monitoring the market closely and using technical analysis to identify trends and price patterns. Day traders often use leverage to increase their potential profits, but this also increases their risk of significant losses. Overall, successful day trading with Bitcoin requires discipline, patience, and a thorough understanding of the market. As it is very complicated for a beginner, there are special automated systems, such as the Forex system, which guide you on which cryptocurrencies to buy, when to buy and sell, and much more. If you are interested to learn more to get access to it, link is in the description, and as a bonus you will get a discount. Governments around the world have mixed feelings about Bitcoin. While some countries have embraced it, others have banned it outright. One of the biggest concerns that governments have with Bitcoin is its potential for use in illegal activities like money laundering and terrorism financing. Additionally, Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it difficult for governments to regulate, which can make it a threat to their control over the financial system. And let's be honest here, guys. No one ever wants the big brother to meddle in our financial stuff. While Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency with many benefits, it is not without its risks. Its high volatility and potential for fraud and hacking make it a highly speculative asset. However, for those who are willing to take the risk, day trading Bitcoin can be a lucrative way to make a living. In conclusion, Bitcoin is a game-changing technology that has the potential to revolutionize the financial world. Its decentralized nature allows for faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions than traditional forms of currency. However, it comes with its fair share of risks, and governments around the world have mixed feelings about it. Despite this, Bitcoin continues to gain popularity as more and more people realize its potential as a form of currency and investment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.